Turmeric, with its deep golden color and warm earthy aroma, has been treasured for centuries across Asia, Africa, and beyond. In kitchens, it colors curries. In traditional medicine, it heals wounds. And in modern science, it shines as a super spice with proven health benefits. But beyond its vibrant appeal lies a question many people never fully explore. What truly happens inside your body when you make turmeric a regular part of your daily life? Millions of people around the world use turmeric occasionally in their cooking, but when you eat it consistently, something remarkable begins to unfold. Your digestion changes, your immune system strengthens, your inflammation quiets down, and your body taps into a natural pharmacy created by this ancient root. If you've been searching for a simple, natural way to improve your health, strengthen your defenses against common illnesses, and even protect yourself against long-term diseases, then turmeric might just be the golden solution you've been overlooking. And in this video, we are going to discover exactly what happens when you regularly eat turmeric, blending the wisdom of traditional healing systems with the clarity of modern scientific research. Before we dive in, if you are passionate about natural health remedies and love discovering simple, effective ways to care for your body, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community. Together, we explore the healing treasures of nature, backed by science and everyday practicality. Don't miss future videos that could help you and your family live healthier, more vibrant lives. Now let's unfold the golden story of turmeric and why eating it regularly could transform your well-being. At its heart lies a compound called curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. This compound is the secret behind turmeric's reputation as one of the most healing spices on earth. When you eat turmeric regularly, curcumin interacts with your cells, your blood, and your immune system in ways that go far beyond ordinary nutrition. One of the first changes people notice is how their digestion feels lighter and smoother. Many of us struggle silently with bloating, gas, or sluggish digestion, and over time these issues chip away at energy and comfort. Turmeric steps in by stimulating bile production in the liver, which helps your body break down fats more efficiently and improves the absorption of nutrients. Traditional Ayurvedic practitioners have prescribed turmeric for centuries to soothe digestive fires, calm indigestion, and relieve stomach discomfort. Modern research now confirms that turmeric reduces irritation in the gut lining and may even help people with irritable bowel syndrome. So when you eat turmeric daily, your digestive system begins to function with greater ease and balance. Another profound shift occurs in the way your body handles inflammation. Inflammation itself is not the enemy. It is the body's natural defense mechanism. But in today's world, with processed foods, pollution, and stress, inflammation often becomes chronic and damaging. This hidden inflammation is linked to conditions like arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's disease. Regular consumption of turmeric is like sending a calming wave through your body's inflamed tissues. Curcumin blocks inflammatory molecules and reduces swelling in joints, muscles, and even blood vessels. People who suffer from stiff knees or aching backs often report noticeable relief after consistently using turmeric. Imagine being able to climb stairs, exercise, or play with your children without the constant reminder of pain. That's the gift turmeric can offer when made a habit, not a one-time fix. But turmeric doesn't stop there. It is also a powerful protector of your immune system. Each day, your body faces invisible threats, viruses, bacteria, toxins, and stress that weaken your defenses. By eating turmeric regularly, you equip your immune system with stronger shields. Curcumin enhances the activity of immune cells like T cells and natural killer cells, making your body more efficient at spotting and eliminating invaders before they make you sick. Traditional home remedies such as golden milk, where turmeric is mixed with warm milk and black pepper, have long been used to ward off colds and flu. Modern studies confirm that turmeric enhances antibody response and helps the body resist seasonal infections. If you're someone who often catches colds or struggles with lingering coughs, introducing turmeric into your daily diet could drastically change your experience each flu season. Let's not forget turmeric's incredible role in supporting heart health. Cardiovascular disease remains the leading cause of death worldwide, often fueled by poor diet, inflammation, and oxidative stress. Eating turmeric daily addresses all of these root causes. Curcumin lowers levels of LDL cholesterol, prevents plaque buildup in arteries, and improves blood vessel function. Imagine your arteries as highways carrying life-giving blood to every corner of your body. Turmeric acts like a cleaning crew, clearing away blockages and allowing smooth, steady flow. Studies even suggest that curcumin is as effective as some pharmaceutical drugs in reducing heart disease risk factors, but without the harsh side effects. This golden root truly shines when used consistently over time, keeping your heart strong and your circulation vibrant. For those concerned with brain health, turmeric offers yet another extraordinary benefit. Inflammation and oxidative stress are major culprits behind neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Curcumin has the ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, which means it directly protects brain cells from damage. It also boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a hormone that supports the growth of new neurons and strengthens existing ones. Higher BDNF levels are associated with sharper memory, quicker learning, and reduced risk of depression. This means that regularly eating turmeric not only protects your brain from long-term decline, but can also enhance your mood and mental clarity in the present. In traditional medicine, turmeric has long been seen as a mind-clearing spice, and now science validates that ancient wisdom. Skin health is another area where turmeric works wonders. Chronic skin issues like acne, eczema, and psoriasis often stem from underlying inflammation and oxidative stress. When you eat turmeric regularly, its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties work from the inside out, reducing flare-ups and promoting clearer, healthier skin. Many cultures have also used turmeric paste externally to brighten complexion and heal wounds. But when you consume it daily, the benefits penetrate deeper, giving your skin a natural glow. It's like having an internal beauty supplement straight from your spice rack. Weight management is also influenced by turmeric's metabolic effects. By enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing fat tissue inflammation, turmeric helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents excess fat storage. People trying to lose weight often find turmeric tea or adding turmeric to their meals helps control cravings and maintain steady energy. When combined with exercise and a balanced diet, turmeric becomes a subtle but powerful ally in the journey to a healthier body composition. Another important change you may notice when consuming turmeric regularly is improved liver health. The liver is your body's primary detox organ, tirelessly filtering toxins, alcohol, and chemicals. Over time, this vital organ can become overloaded, leading to fatigue, skin issues, and poor digestion. Turmeric supports the liver by boosting the production of detoxifying enzymes and protecting liver cells from damage. In Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric is often used in cleansing rituals to restore balance and vitality. And modern research shows curcumin can prevent liver damage caused by toxins and alcohol. A strong liver means better energy, clearer skin, and overall resilience. Beyond the physical, turmeric also has subtle effects on mood and emotional health. Chronic inflammation in the brain is closely tied to depression and anxiety. Curcumin's ability to reduce this inflammation, enhance neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, and increase BDNF makes it a natural mood enhancer. Clinical studies have found that turmeric supplements can be as effective as antidepressants in some cases, offering hope to those seeking natural support for emotional balance.